I don't even know how I do this stuff. So I filmed this video on my phone and I thought I hit record and I did not. But funny enough, I was filming a different video, so I do have part of it, the start of it anyway, on my other camera. So I'm gonna kind of mush the two together and make a video. Hope everybody enjoys. Put a little bit on, whoops, on your rag. Just go over it. Make sure they're nice and clean first. They should absorb. I need to do my cutting board, but my cutting board's still wet. We're gonna set these to the side and just continue on. Now when I'm putting the oil on, I don't put much on. I just put like a pea-size amount, barely even that, to go around the whole spoon. Hence why I keep putting it back on there. Because I don't put very much on. Actually, I have enough left over for this one. You can tell by they have that nice little sheen on them. Which I thought I had enough on there. I didn't. Oh, that was too much. We're gonna go for the big one. You can use a reusable cloth for this. You don't have to use paper towel. Please don't think you do. I just don't have a cloth. Well, I do. I just don't know where it is. And I have a sponge. Let me rephrase. I have a sponge that I can use to do this. Here's my problem. I don't really like the sponge. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product by using the sponge because I feel like the sponge just absorbs it. And the cloth, I have one. I just don't know where it is. I do this about once a month, give or take, to all of them, just to keep them good. And maybe twice a year, I'll wax them as well. Okay, so these are now all done and good for another month. You don't have to do anything else to them, nothing else. Just let these dry, it will absorb in. Here we go. Because, you know, we're trying to prevent this from happening. Where's the crack? There it is. We're trying to prevent that from happening. Like this spoon here, I've had, whoops, sorry, it slipped out of my hand. This spoon here I've had for, I don't even know how many years now. And it's still nice and beautiful. But when you forget to wax them, this is what happens. You gotta feed them. They need that oil. Take from someone who has done this too many times. All right, so don't forget, give them a good oiling. Okay, I thought the cutting board was wet. It's not, it's good and dry. This severely needs a good oiling. You wanna go with the grain. Right on in there. And this one, I think I am going to wax. Actually, maybe not. There we go. Oh, that absorbed that pretty quick. Oh, and she's beautiful all over again. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to wax your boards.